We spent a week here in March of 2026.
We have arrived at the Caribe Hilton in San Juan, Puerto Rico
Room 769,
with our medallions.
if we can make it work. There it goes.
Has to get pretty flat. That's the only hard part. And we are in the Wave Tower, which theoretically is a little newer. Nice bathroom. We have seen some reviews talking about grungy old bathtubs and all kinds of stuff. Not here. We have 2 sinks, a lovely large
Crabtree.
walk-in shower.
Product over here.
Yep. Okay, yep, we have shampoo, conditioner, and body gel. For a minute I was worried that they had a 3-in-1, but nope. And then we are in a king, what they call a king wave view room. And we do have a nice view. A little patio out there. We'll look at that a little more in a minute. Closet. Really big safe. Iron and ironing board. Not that I need to iron anything.
Oh yeah, we'll be ironing all week.
Yeah, right. On this side, there's some outlets, standard plugs, and
It's a data port, which nobody
yeah,
uses.
it's an old data port. So standard plug, lamp, and then on the other side of the bed, we have a charging station and regular plugs flat there. Same thing over here. Chair, desk, drawers. I'm guessing this is, yep,
Mini fridge.
refrigerator. Water. We didn't get our water at check-in.
Yeah.
I have to check on that when we run downstairs. And then we have a balcony.
And a view of the Atlantic Ocean. Our first room was on a lower floor that I videoed. You'll see before this. The HVAC wasn't working properly, so they moved us to this higher floor. We are looking down on the roof, but we have a great wide view of the area. Come back here. Down here is the beach area for our hotel, and then there's a marine park over there across. I don't know if the people that are out in the water far away are showing up or not. We're staying in the wave wing, and this is the lobby area. Trying to avoid taking pictures of everybody walking by. This is headed towards the lobby from our room. This is in the main lobby area, kind of the theme of the Caribe Hilton. So the Caribe Hilton claims that they are the inventor of the pina colada, which I believe them. There's another place we did eat lunch at downtown that's trying to claim that also. We found we enjoyed this pina colada more than the one downtown. Sorry, guys. The other one was good too, but I think this one's better. Here's their recipe. $19.54. This is the Caribe bar, main bar area. In the middle. Out, those doors lead out to the pool area. Well, we had some rain this morning, which we've had a lot of mornings. It's a little windy, but not as many people out yet. So we're going to take a little tour at the infinity pool. And a swim-up pool bar. Outdoor seating for lunch if we want. We're heading towards another port, I guess. And we have to go around to get to the tropical gardens, but it kind of gives you a view of this fourth area. We look down on it from our balcony. Waves are rolling a little bit today. We're walking around an ocean walkway. Pool area I just showed you is to the left. This will take us back around. The bar outdoor bar, as you can see. Weather we've had this week, it will rain and then it'll clear off and be hot, and then sometimes rain again. Yesterday it rained early and then it's nice and warm all day and windy. This is the view back from the other side of the infinity. And there's hot tubs near the bar there. Another lower pool here and a kiddie pool. And looking back, there's chairs all along the beach and a kind of a protected swim area. People are down there doing yoga on the beach this morning. Platform out here, we sat out there the other day. And I pointed it out from our balcony, but across the way is a marine sanctuary park beyond those break walls there. We're hoping to do some snorkeling there. We haven't done it yet. We'll see how the waves do today. We just came around another view of this old port area. We're going to walk around the tropical gardens. We're getting a little bit more rain today. It's a pond here. Apparently you can at certain times feed the fish here. This is what's called the garden wing of the hotel. We're in the wave wing, as I said earlier. Pretty ponds here, though. End of the line, I think at one time there was something here that they used, but not anymore. Little Puerto Rican history on the wall here. Or history of the hotel, I should say. I think I mentioned 1949 the original hotel opened.
It was a casino.
Casino. No casino now. One of our waiters in the morning said he's been here more than 30 years, and originally there was a discotheque, open air discotheque in the main lobby area. Different celebrities who've been here. Oh, there's Larry Bird, Backstreet Boys. Since I'm old, I don't know all the celebrities. And I guess this setting has been in some movies. I don't think I've seen them. Ah, there's the discotheque that I spoke of. There's some more of the hotel history on this wall. Tours and concierge area.